Good morning everyone, my name is Dolce Sharma. I am working as a clinical instructor in RPIIT College. Today we'll discuss about the topic. There are different types of thermometer, that is mercury glass, plastic thermometer, electronic digital thermometer. केमिकल डिस्पोजेबल थर्मोमीटर्स, टेम्परेचर सेंसिटिव टेप, दैट ये एक टेप होती है जो कि हम स्किन पे टच करके देख सकते हैं एंड इसका जो टेम्परेचर है वो कलर चेंज हो जाता है. इंफ्रारेड थर्मोमीटर, टिम्पैनिक, टेम्पोरल आर्टरी थर्मोमीटर्स, ये स्कैन करके हम लोग ब्लड बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू मेजर बॉडी टेम्परेचर? थर्मो स्कैन, प्री प्रोसीजर, ग्रेट एंड एक्सप्लेन प्रोसीजर टू द पेशेंट, provide privacy and perform hand hygiene, apply ear probe cover to thermoscan probe, ensuring the reading in degree Celsius, inform patients to pull pinna backward and downward and insert thermoscan probe into ear canal. Press start button until heard beep sound. Remove probe from ear and inform patient reading. Remove ear probe cover and discard appropriately. This is how we can use this tympanic membrane thermometer. Perform hand hygiene, inform SRN or doctor abnormal result, document reading. Digital, on off button होता है, measurement scale, speaker, probe bulb. How to measure body temperature oral? Turn on thermometer according to package directions. Place the tip of thermometer under one side of tongue towards back. Close mouth and breath through nose. Remove the thermometer after you hear the signal, usually series of beeps, and read the thermometer on the screen. A fever is temperature over 99.5 degree. How to measure body temperature, that is axillary. Turn on the thermometer according to the package direction. Place the thermometer in a dry armpit. Close the armpit by holding elbow against the chest. Remove the thermometer after you hear the signal, usually a series of beeps, and read the temperature on the screen. A fever is an axillary temperature over 99 degree Fahrenheit. Fever, hyperthermia. A rectal temperature can be taken in either of these positions. बच्चे को उल्टा करके एंड सीधा करके. Also called pyrexia. It is high temperature above normal range, more than 37.3 degrees Celsius. Hyperpyrexia, it is very high temperature above 41 degrees Celsius. Hypothermia, hypothermia is a low temperature below 36 degrees Celsius. Temperature basis, normal body temperature is 36.5 to 37.5. Mild hypothermia, that is 34 to 36 degree. 32 to 34 is moderate hypothermia. Moderate deep hypothermia, 30 to 32 degree. Deep hypothermia, that is less than 30 degree. People at risk of hypothermia: sick, frail, very old, poor, not enough heat, people with disabilities. There are certain symptoms: confusion, lack of coordination, shivering, cold body, urge to urinate. Hypothermia, how the body reacts to cold, getting cold if the temperature is 36 degree Celsius. Amnesia at 34 degree, cardiac arrhythmia 33 degree, muscle contractions 32 degree, pre-coma stage 31 degree, coma 30 degree, and 26 degrees Celsius, that is loss of muscle tone, and at last 22 degrees Celsius, that is death.